The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued tornado watch for the following counties: Wallace in western Kansas, Greeley in western Kansas, Kit Carson in eastern Colorado, Lincoln in north-central Colorado, and El Paso in north-central Colorado. Until 3:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on Tuesday, March 3, 2049.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a tornado warning for northeastern El Paso County and east-central Colorado until 5 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:22 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Paden, or 24 miles northeast of Colorado Springs, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris.